Hello, I'm Mike Melvin with AYPO Insurance. We specialize in all aspects of the contractor business, whether it be insurance, training, or business consulting. One of the most common questions that I receive from Oregon contractors is, what is a sunset clause? Contractor insurance can be very confusing, which is why I chose to make these videos. I want my clients to thoroughly understand the policy that they are getting. The sunset clause shortens the reporting period. The concept of shortening the reporting period for claims is not new and is relatively self-explanatory. An insured has a limited period in which to report a claim potentially covered under his or her liability policy. Any claim reported after a certain period of time may not be covered. The amount of time a claim may be reported differs between policies and carriers. The operative language is typically attached to a policy as an endorsement. An average time for a sunset clause is 3 years. Now let's cover manifestation forms. Although manifestation forms differ between insurers, discovery of the injury or damage is intended to be the trigger of coverage. Most forms require the injury or damage to be known or discovered during the policy term. Occurrence policies may cover injuries that occur during the policy period but are not discovered until years later. An average reporting period for an occurrence policy is 10 years. According to case law, a discovery trigger of coverage effectively transforms an occurrence form into a claims-made policy without the requirement to report the claim within the policy period. For illustration purposes, a pool leak begins in year 1, continues during year 2, and is discovered during year 1. Based on the discussion in Montrose, both an occurrence and manifestation policy effective during year 1 would provide coverage for year 1 because the damage occurred and was discovered during the policy term. An occurrence policy effective during year 2 may also cover the damage during year 2. A manifestation policy would not, because the damage was not discovered during the policy term. Some insurers have adopted the manifestation form or discovery trigger for 2 primary reasons. One is to limit their exposure to a certain policy period because injury or damage can manifest at only one point in time. Second, insurers sought to reduce their exposure to an unpredictable and lengthy tail of lawsuits filed years after the risk they agreed to protect against. If you have any questions about this or any other topic in reference to contractor insurance, don't hesitate to give me a call or visit us online at orcontractorinsurance.com.